Hi friend! Did you know that LessonPix provides PRC Unity symbols included in your membership? Unity symbols are symbols used in the Unity language system for AAC and are the foundation for LAMP, Words for Life, and Course Scanner. They are found in the clipart library in a PRC Unity symbols folder. To have the Unity symbols show in search results, you may need to turn on the Unity symbols. Here's how. Go to the Your LessonPix tab and then click Account Details to update your account. You will see a drop-down to show or hide the PRC Unity symbols. If the account says Show, the Unity symbols will show first in search results. When Unity symbols show in search results, you will see a purple ribbon that identifies the Unity symbol. This ribbon will not appear in the materials generated. Now you can create activities that use the same symbols as on your students' devices. Unity symbols are a great addition to our LessonPix library.